Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss writing a transact SQL query to list all the tables in a SQL Server. So basically, we want to know the table names which are present in a specified database. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions and any suggestion, you can write down in the comment section. Let's begin. This is a very common SQL interview question. Everybody is asking that how do you know, or how do I get to know all the table names which are present in a specified database. So I will show you how you can extract all the table names for a specified database. Here you can see I have created one database, name is testDB, and inside the testDB there is 4 tables are present. One is person, second one is person 1, then test, and the last one is test 1. Okay, as I am using PHPMyADMIN, so I will use this code to extract or to fetch the table names for the database testDB. Okay, and if you are using any database platform except PHPMyADMIN, for this I have write down the code in the description. You will just visit the description and you will find 3 methods by which you can get the table names. So I will show you the table names. I have already told you that 4 tables are present inside the database testDB. So I will show you in a list of tables. Okay, so for this, just run this query and you can see the table has created with the table names present in database testDB. You can see 4 tables are showing here. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.